Are you ready to see what happens when you commit to running for 30 days straight? Whether you're a seasoned runner or just getting started, this challenge can have a profound impact on your body and mind. Let's dive into the 6 key benefits you'll experience by running consistently for a month. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring what happens when you run every day for 30 days. I took on the challenge myself, and let me tell you, the results are incredible. So, let's break down the 6 major benefits you'll notice. Benefit 1. Improved cardiovascular health. First up, your heart will thank you. Running is one of the best cardiovascular exercises out there. Within just a few days, you'll notice an increase in your endurance. Your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood, and over time, this reduces your risk of heart disease. Benefit 2. Enhanced mental health. Running isn't just great for your body, it's amazing for your mind too. After about a week of daily running, I felt less stressed and more focused. That's because running releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that improve your mood and reduce anxiety. It's like a natural antidepressant. Benefit 3. Weight loss and fat reduction. If weight loss is one of your goals, running can be a game changer. Over the course of 30 days, consistent running can help you shed extra pounds and reduce body fat, especially when paired with a balanced diet. Benefit 4. Stronger muscles and joints. Running isn't just about cardio, it's a full-body workout. As you run, you're strengthening your legs, core, and even your upper body. Plus, your joints become more resilient, reducing the risk of injuries in the long run. Benefit 5. Improved sleep quality. Struggling with sleep? Running might be the answer. Regular physical activity like running can help you fall asleep faster and improve the quality of your sleep. By the end of the 30 days, you might find yourself sleeping more soundly and waking up refreshed. Benefit 6. Boosted confidence and self-esteem. Finally, let's talk about confidence. Completing a 30-day running challenge is no small feat, and the sense of accomplishment you gain can do wonders for your self-esteem. You'll feel more confident, not just because of the physical changes, because you've proven to yourself you can stick to a goal. So there you have it, 6 amazing benefits of running for 30 days straight. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost your mood, or just challenge yourself, this is one journey worth taking. If you're thinking about starting your own 30-day running challenge, drop a comment below and let me know how it's going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching. Keep running, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.